These cinnamon raisin boiled bagels make 8 bagels. Total time 2 hours and 15 minutes. Soft and chewy with warm cinnamon and plump raisins, boiled and then baked for a classic bagel crust. First, the ingredients. 4 cups of bread flour. 1 1/4 cups of warm water heated to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. 1 cup of raisins. 1 large egg for the egg wash. 1 tablespoon of honey for the boiling water. 2 tablespoons of baking soda for the boiling bath. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a small bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of warm water at 110 degrees Fahrenheit with 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of the sugar. Stir and let sit for 5 minutes until foamy. In a large bowl, combine 4 cups of bread flour, the remaining 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Stir to blend the dry ingredients. Pour the foamy yeast mixture into the flour mixture and stir until a shaggy dough forms. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes of mixing by spoon. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. During the final minute of kneading, fold in 1 cup of raisins until evenly distributed through the dough. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let rise for 1 hour at about 75 degrees Fahrenheit until doubled. Punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces, about 4 ounces each. Roll each piece into a tight ball. Poke a hole through the center of each ball and gently stretch into a bagel ring. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet, cover, and rest for 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit while the bagels rest. Fill a large pot with 8 cups of water and bring to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of honey to the boiling water. Boil the bagels 2 at a time for 1 minute on the first side, then flip and boil 1 minute on the second side. Remove with a slotted spoon and transfer to a cooling rack. Whisk 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon of water and brush the top of each boiled bagel to give a glossy finish. Bake the bagels on a parchment-lined sheet at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Cool the bagels on a wire rack for about 15 minutes before serving. Enjoy your bagels, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. There you have it, cinnamon raisin boiled bagels, 8 bagels in about 2 hours and 15 minutes. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to get notifications.